Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. As usual, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see that this really has happened. As we said about our doubts about this possible head and shoulders pattern, and we thought that really market could move above the monthly pivot resistance one. So yesterday's dovish comments from the Fed has pushed market higher, and right now it stands at a very interesting place, the 1310 area. Those of you who are following with our weekly researches probably know that this is very strong resistance on the monthly chart. In fact, the 1285 till 1330 area is the confidence resistance on the monthly chart. That also includes yearly pivot resistance 1. Taking in consideration this strong resistance area and limited upside potential of the net speculative positions by the Commitment of Traders report, we think that in the very short-term perspective, this will be really the problem for the gold to move higher than the 1335 area. Of course, if Brexit really will happen, this could bring additional money flows and assets into the gold market, and that could increase the overall volume of the potential speculative positions, just moving in a new level, as just will be higher and greater than it was previously. But currently, we do not know this definitely, and based on the limitations of the overall positions on the gold market that could be estimated and established, and in existence of the strong resistance, makes us think that gold really it will be hard to the market to move higher than the 1330 area. This in turn means that in the very short-term perspective, we probably will be watching for tactical patterns. Since currently it's very difficult to take the long position here, so upside potential is not really very strong. At the same time, as we said yesterday, guys, additional upside candles could bring the very nice thrust here that could be used for the Jordan Napoli patterns. And one of these patterns could be the Brent body buy. So, for example, as you can see, market has shown very nice upward action. It's very good thrust. If it will show the closing above the 3x3 and will reach the 1270 support to retest this former area, that could give us the opportunity for the scalp buy trade. Maybe this will lead to something greater. This could become really the nice pattern that will let us to take the position safely right at the eve of the Brexit voting. And if market will jump to the 1330, that will be just a superb trade with very small risk. If even this will not happen and market will stop at its minimum target of the Brent body, this also will be the potential for the 25 bucks per contract. This will be also not bad trade. Currently, guys, we can't speak on some longer term perspective, since for that purpose we need to see the Commitment of Traders report. We need to see what's going on the high time frames, and we need to see some recent news on the perspective of the Brexit, of the recent pulse of the public opinion. That will let us understand better what's really going on, and we will do this definitely in the weekly research. Currently, guys, based on the technical picture, we think that we do not need even the intraday charts today, because nothing you will see there. And right now, we knowing all these moments that we just have discussed, we will be watching for this thrust action, and we will be watching for the Jordan Napoli patterns here. That's possibly the best solution that we could get if market will form some Jordan Napoli pattern, for example, the Brent body buy. Currently, it's better to, when you stand at the eve of some big event as Brexit voting, it's better to trade very short. I mean, in terms of time, do not marry any trade, and it's better to base your trade on some clear patterns that take the technical feature. And the Brent body, from that standpoint, is just very good choice. That's why, in the nearest term perspective, for the coming next session and in the beginning of the next week, we'll be watching mostly for short-term trades on the tactical steps if gold will provide any, of course. So that's our current opinion on the gold market.